Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn some more methods for the preparation of alcohol. First method that is given over here is Grignard synthesis of alcohol. Grignard reagent that are called as a alkyl magnesium halide on reaction with carbonyl compound form magnesium alcohol, that on reaction with water or an aqueous acid form alcohol. We say that alkyl magnesium halide are highly polar compounds because directly bonded with the magnesium metal has partially negative charge over it, and this would act as a nucleophile, and this attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom resulting in the formation of magnesium salt of alcohol. These magnesium salt of alcohol on reaction with water form alcohols. Now we say that the alcohol obtained in this process actually depends upon the choice of carbonyl compound used in the reaction mixture. Formaldehyde on reaction with alkyl magnesium halide only yield primary alcohol. All other higher aldehyde on reaction with alkyl magnesium halide will form secondary alcohol, and ketones on reaction with alkyl magnesium halide will form tertiary alcohol. Ethylene oxide is an epoxide and is an ether, which on reaction with alkyl magnesium halide readily undergo a chain opening reaction, and further on hydrolysis it will form primary alcohol. This ethylene oxide is only the epoxide which readily react with alkyl magnesium halide. Other ethers do not readily react with alkyl magnesium halide. Reaction mechanism is given over here, in which alkyl group is partially negative and it is attacking on carbonyl carbon atom in the presence of ethereal solution, resulting in the formation of magnesium salt of alkoxide, and this alkoxide ion on reaction with water is forming alcohol. The next method that is given over here is addition of Grignard reagent to acid chlorides and esters. Acid chlorides and esters on reaction with two equivalents of Grignard reagent in ethereal solvent and hydronium ion that will act as a protonating agent over here will form alcohol. Only formyl chloride or formyl esters results in the formation of aldehyde. All other acid chlorides or esters will result in the formation of ketone or tertiary alcohol. Reaction mechanism is given, in which acid chloride and esters react with one equivalent of alkyl magnesium halide, and in the intermediate alkoxide ions are formed, which on rearrangement form ketones. Now these ketones on a reaction with one more equivalent of alkyl magnesium halide will get converted into magnesium salt of alkoxide, which on protonation form tertiary alcohols. Some more examples are given over here. The next method that is used for the preparation of alcohol is addition of acetylide to carbonyl compound. Acetylide ion, being strong nucleophile and strong base, attack on the carbonyl carbon atom. Acetylide alk oxide are formed as an intermediate, which on protonation form acetylenic alcohol. Here we say that acetylide addition to the aldehyde produce secondary alcohol, and acetylide addition to the ketones followed by hydrolysis form tertiary alcohols. In this example, 3-methyl-but-1 is made to react with sodium amide that act as a base, and it will pick up the proton from this butane molecule. Now acetylide ion is formed, which on reaction with benzaldehyde and followed by protonation with hydronium ion form alcohol. And similar reaction is shown in this case, where a ketone is reacting with sodium acetylide followed by hydrolysis form the tertiary alcohol. Reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds are reduced in the presence of reducing agent such as sodium borohydride and lithium aluminium hydride. Provide hydride ion to the carbonyl carbon and form alkyl oxide ion, which on reaction with water or dilute acid get protonated and form alcohol. Carboxylic acids or esters can also be reduced in the presence of reducing agent and form alcohol. We say lithium aluminium hydride over here is a stronger reducing agent as compared to sodium borohydride because aluminium is less electronegative as compared to boron. So the hydride ion liberated in this case would be more powerful reducing agent. And lithium aluminium hydride will reduce all the pi bonds present in the reaction mixture or present in the starting material, and mostly saturated alcohols are obtained. And sodium borohydride will be utilized preferably in those reactions where we need unsaturated alcohol. Another method for the reduction of aldehyde and ketone is using hydrogen over the ranitidine. This hydrogen will reduce the carbonyl carbon and form alcohol. Thank you so much. In the next video, we will discuss about the reactivity of alcohol.